So this is what all the snow looks like put together. We've got a disaster. Probably going to declare our city a disaster, so maybe we get some army in to help us. Anyways, I just shoveled, so I'm a little out of breath. We got 80 centimeters yesterday. That's one heck of a lot of snow, don't you think? And this is day number 3. So, and it's still going to snow. I don't know, will this ever end? I think another storm like this that we got was in 1977. So this is it. In some places they get as much as 5 centimeters a minute. A minute. It's one heck of a lot of snow. Anyways, I'm going in. I'm half frozen. I'm gonna feed the birds and have a hot cup of coffee.